Hi guys, welcome to Ormeau Wood State High School. You're here with me down in the Health Hub. I'm Tiana. Today I'm going to talk you through how to make your own stress balls at home, so come on through.
So stress balls are really useful when you're studying. Maybe if you're getting a bit frustrated by some of the work or because the internet is just way too slow for you. Gives you something to take out that frustration on that's not a younger sibling. You can use these when you're doing your Bella Viz X every morning to get yourself ready to study. Maybe make a couple for some other people in your household so they can do the Bella Viz X with you. So what you're going to need is a couple of small plastic bags, nappy bag, freezer bag. You'll need a couple of balloons. Today I'm going to be using rice to make the stress balls, but you can also use table salt or flour. Put 3 tablespoons of rice into the cup. Pour it straight into one of your bags and we'll get all the extra air out of it, tie it up, and then we'll just wrap all the excess plastic around to make a ball shape. Put that one in a second bag. So it's less likely that it's going to break and put rice all over the floor. Pick which balloon colour you want on the outside and which one you want on the inside. Is grab some scissors and snip just where the balloons goes from the thin tube into the bigger round shape. So just chop it off there. Then got to open it up. And just fiddle around with it until you've got your rice in your first balloon. Cut in the same spot. So when we put the outside balloon over, you want it to be fully covering this little hole in the other balloon. Hide that so that it looks nice and pretty. Then you just squeeze it into the shape that you want and you have your own stress ball. And have fun. Bye guys.